Time for another mystery package. Hello everybody, I'm Gabby and this is Gabby Tech. In today's video we're gonna take a look at one big box that I got sent from Sweden. I'm super excited. This is the second time I have such a big box sent to me from Sweden. Let's take a look what is there inside, because I know there will be very interesting stuff. And if you want to know what is inside, stay till the end of the video and subscribe to Gabby Tech's channel. Like it also. Let's proceed. Oh guys, I'm so excited. There's nice stuff I see, and it's so big. It's like 25 kg package. Let's check one by one what we have there. Wow. Chroma color mouse pad. Oh, these are my friends from Swife. You know, Swife is a very cool brand. They make stuff, the same stuff like Elgato, but on more affordable prices. And this is their sticks color Chroma mouse pad that we will do separate unboxing about in a video, and you will see how it works. It's something super cool, so stay tuned. Oh, that's Pro Series cable kit by Cable Mode. Do you have any idea how premium these cables are? They're not even available anywhere in Bulgaria. So much thank you in it. Of course, separate unboxings. I need to respect them. They're even more expensive than the Corsair ones. What's this? Igloo ergo laptop riser. Oh wow, they're so nice. I started doing laptop reviews and they decided to give me a laptop stand. How nice is this? Another video. And wow, I don't know, I owe these people so much. They send me such a nice stuff. This is a Lego Technic car. Okay, shall I start doing Lego reviews? This one looks super cool. Oh, Philips Shockbox speaker. That's cute. It's portable speaker, which is also RGB. This channel loves RGB speakers. They made my months of reviews, I feel like. That's amazing. Nedis mini air cooler. You remember Nedis? The brand that I told you in the beginning of my channel. I made some review about Nedis electric plug. And now they decided to kindly give me one mini air cooler. Basically, I explained them the problem that I have a very big air conditioner, but it doesn't fit me anymore. That's why they decided to send me this. That's so cute of them. Another review. Of course. You know, since I tested so many 3060, I especially required to have one 3060 with single fan, and they decided to send me Asus Phoenix. You know, this card is kind of rare, and I'm super grateful to have the opportunity to test exactly this 3060. So yes, another GPU is coming on the way. They always send me something sweet. You know, pepper cracker. They always send me some...
Pepparkakor, not cracker.
Okay, pepparkakor.
Pepparkakor.
Pepparkakor. This is the time for the sound. Never mind, thank you. And last but the best, do you remember before when some of you told me, Gabby, can you take us and review a soda machine? That made me contact Sodastream and they sent me 2 samples of their famous Sodastream Genesis Mega Pack. One of them is specially for giving away, but in Sweden. That's why it's for Swedish giveaway. That's why I don't show it. But right now I'll show you one of them. Yes, this is Sodastream Genesis Sparkling Watermaker. One review that I expected long time because it took like a month for them to send me this machine. It's the Mega Pack. It has all of the flavors, so we will have so much fun reviewing this. So stay tuned! I think there is something more. TKL Logitech Pro Keyboard. I don't know what to say. Since I have keyboard obsession, every time when I see keyboard I get so happy. And now I have one more. I love keyboards. And we will definitely review this one. It's TKL and it's mechanical. That's lovely. Sadly it's not white, but it's still okay. So many products waiting to be reviewed. Are you excited? Because I am. And if you're excited, subscribe to my channel and wait all of these reviews in the following month. Thank you very much for watching this video. Be sure to like and subscribe and follow me in all social media.